Hi guys, it's Mrs. Warner again from Southview Elementary. Mr. Spradlin has helped us create a really fun activity for your word work today. It's going to be found in Schoology. So when you click on the activity, you're going to come up with the screen right here. There's going to be this little object up in the corner. It looks like a beach ball. You're going to take your finger and touch on it, and it's going to spin. It will land on either a homophone, antonym, or synonym. Those are the words you're going to be finding down in the game board. So you're going to find the two words. Suppose you land on homophone. You're going to find two homophones down there on your game board. You're going to take your finger and you're going to swipe on the words and cross them off. Then you're going to repeat the process again. You're going to click on the spinner, spin it. Wherever it lands, you're going to find those two words. Take your finger, mark them off on the game board. You're going to keep doing this until you have no more words to cross off. I hope you enjoy it. Have fun.